Dear Jessica, I know we haven't spoken in 7 years, but there are things I need to say to you. And soon my time on this earth will be at an end. I have something to tell you which will surprise you and possibly make you quite angry. Please understand that the struggles people face can be completely out of their control. We all handle things the way we feel is best at the time. We kept this from you to prevent you feeling unloved and rejected. This was definitely never the case. In the early 70s, my sister, your Auntie Kate, had a baby out of wedlock. This was not acceptable to our parents. They felt she was too young to get married, let alone have a baby. They wanted her to concentrate on developing her life, finishing her education, chasing a career first. Not believing in abortion, our parents told Kate to give the baby up. Kate was absolutely devastated about this. I came up with the idea at the time to take things that belonged to the baby and take Kate with me to bury them in special places to help her find closure. This did help her, and in time she moved on with her life. The father of the baby, he left the state with his parents. Our parents were not willing to take on another baby because they had struggles of their own. Our parents felt it best that my husband and I take you as our own. Auntie Kate went along with it, but she was heartbroken.
Jessica, I am your auntie. Kate is your mother.